2 months later after doing the cement slab. Now we're unboxing the inverter and all the accoutrements. What's that, Benny?
PV disconnect switch.
That's just the PV disconnect switch. Everybody knows what that is, so I'm not going to even get into it.
I'm not going to get into it because you know what that is.
So,
we got some
wires
for solar panels.
One's black or dark gray and one's pink.
This is a Morday fuse thingamajigger and a box, a conduit box. Yep, and that's that.
So this is all to put the inverter together.
Right here is what we're going to use to hold up against the wood to make our markings, and that's where the brackets are going to go.
Oh,
and I need
okay.
7 inches this way, 7 inches around. So that's the important part right there.
Okay. Are you going to use real measurements or are you going to eyeball it? Okay.
And this is the...
I
don't say what we're doing.
don't know.
I feel like you should go that way. Obviously, that matches up to that. Hooks into the back of this. I don't know what these are for yet.
There's a bee behind you.
How it connects to Wi-Fi. Because it needs Wi-Fi to keep stuff going on correctly, apparently. It'll run without the Wi-Fi, but it needs to update every once in a while.
Okay. Oh.
Jeez.
Ooh.
It's huge.
Huge and heavy. It's the heaviest heavy. The heaviest
200
thing.
pounds.
200 pounds.
Instruction manual.
User manual. That's going to be handy for show. There's some wires on this side.
Yeah, we don't show it. Let's see if we can get out of here.
It's an 18K PV. What is those?
That means it could take in 18,000 watts of solar input. Let's see, in comparison to EcoFlow out there, it can only take in, only from solar, I think the max is 2,000. This can take in 18,000.
Oh, okay. How much do we have in panels?
Panels, total, with all 5 of those, 450 times 5. Whatever that is.
Okay.
What we're going to have hooked up to this is 450 times 3, so that's 8, 12, 13.
When unpacked, this is what we should see. So we have the battery communication cable, that's the orange one. User manual, CT times 2, is like the little square boxes, I think that you handed me. The gray cord is the panel communication cable. You got a set of keys, Wi-Fi dongle, knockout plugs, that's those circles I think, yeah. Hardware, mounting hardware, and paperboard.
What was that last thing?
Is that everything? Paperboard?
That's that.
Yeah. So.
Where it was, it's like, y'all getting real curious again. Where y'all coming from?
The board we're going to put it on. The plywood.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's gonna fit real nice, oh yeah. Okay, so.
That's the shelf. We're going to be placing this on. but we're trying to make it a little bit more sturdy with not just the plywood being what this is attached to, but also this board. I don't know what he's barking at. Yep. I mean, it can't get any higher, really. Okay, so mission accomplished. Now he's just gonna drill it in, and then we'll do the other steps. I don't know what the other steps are yet. Okay. Got this stuff. Oop. Oh, there we go.
Oh, okay.
It came out.
Okay. Here it goes. Ooh.
That's a big space. Let's see how many holes we can do. Right, this thing. Why are you guys out? Ow, Freddie.
All right, TJ, I think
Y'all better not be in our way.
we can get it to the table.
This is what we're trying to get it to. It's our solar show. Neat. Oh, okay. It's swaying too much.
Oh my god.
Brand new.
Okay, scary. TJ, start trying to flip switches and stuff. Goodness,
Right,
this doesn't open.
Nah, this is very intimidating.
I assume
So,
you don't have to touch this.
What we're going to do is, we're
Right,
going to have to
after
touch a
it's
lot
all
of this.
hooked up,
We're going to have to poke holes out under here, run the wires in ourselves. That's what's confusing. How is it PV input like this, but it's already connected? Oh, that's what that box is for. That little box with the little on-off switch.
Okay.
That's got to run wires. Oh my God, do I need more wire to run from here?
Long ways. Yep.
Crouch down.
Exactly. Okay. It's in there, but.
All right, don't play with it.
Well.
The wind's gonna play with it.
We're not going to touch it because the wind can't get in there.
Okay, wow. Tony's got the solar project. I'm doing signs. Got this one Which price? Probably road.